Chiefs, yeah, to network.
Yeah, through network.
Heartbeat of the Khosi Nation.
Khosi Nation. Love and peace.
Welcome to Kaizer Chiefs Yeti Network. I'm your Spiwe Makeleni. As always, I'm with Spiwe Matswane.
What's going on? Okay, my Spiwe Makeleni, how are you?
I'm good, Mr. Matswane. And Mr. Matswane, we are talking about this man, du Preez. He came in 2022, Bamtenga from Stellenbosch. And the boy, Mawamtenga, they knew that the boy was scoring. The boy, a good striker, he was scoring. So when he came to Chiefs, I started playing very well. But last season, 2024, 2020, 2025, 2026, that's when he started declining in terms of him scoring and whatsoever. I think the boy did not have a good season. And I believe that the boy, his also confidence started sinking down. So I don't know whether is it the pressure from you moving from a Cape Town coming to Ejozi, because of in Jozi there's too much pressure, lifestyle pressure and whatsoever, you know. So I don't know whether it's also the atmosphere or what the problem is. So we did not see him. And Puma, the people who contracts were never renewed, so we don't know what's happening with du Preez. So what's your take?
Thank you so much, man. Hey,
Bless you.
Anyways, please subscribe, guys, to our channel. Stand a chance to win this iPhone. Actually, du Preez, known for his pace, versatility, and goal scoring, of course. But one of his key important things is the pace. You know that speed is an advantage in soccer. But he came from Stellenbosch. You are right to say that. He came from Stellenbosch. Was one of the marquee signings in 2022. He played very well. But you need to understand that the time that he came to Chiefs, he came to Chiefs when Chiefs was not winning anything. He came to Chiefs when things were difficult. He came to Chiefs when Chiefs was having a drought of not winning any cup, anything. So when you come to Chiefs coming from Stellenbosch now is a bigger team, but by then was not so big as it is now. When you come from Stellenbosch, a small team, no pressure, you play in the Danny van Gaal Stadium, there's no fans, good empty stadium, you have no pressure, no one insults you, you can perform. You can do blunders that are not going to be replayed over and over and over again because you are in Stellenbosch. Came in, and he did very good. He would score, pace. But when you have a player like him, you need to know how to play him. You need to know how to play him. You need to know that this guy is not good in taking on players, but he's good in running. Shama Tetman run. He knows how to find the spaces. But now, the problem became he would find those runs and find those spaces and get those passes. But now, the blunder would be, we are Mesa. And manje umesa ama one on one
amanye ndoda
abhlungabi uyangithola maka mesa lama one on one abhlungabi sebadonsa ama-file bakhipha namanye ukuthi lo muntu lona akaqala ukuyenza lento le uyijwayele, uyangi-understand. But that is soccer for you. Soccer, you need to have a character. You can miss, but you need to come back and score.
Yeah, to bring back that confidence and that assurance with him, and it was a mistake.
It was a mistake.
Yeah, because we have Abu Messi who misses a penalty, Cristiano Ronaldo, who is this one? Because of now
Messi in the World Cup, he missed a penalty. He went back in the very same game and scored a hat-trick. So when they do an overall party, oh, what a wonderful player. Messi scored a hat-trick. But he's also human. He missed a penalty. So you can tell that lo muntu lona unawo ama mistake njengomuntu onormal. But he rises above those mistakes. He rises above those challenges. So that's what I was expecting from Ashley du Preez. But now there's rumors that Stellenbosch iyamfuna.
So Stellenbosch wants him back. Okay. I think maybe if Kaizer Chiefs they want to change, but I think he can be given a season for me. Then they'll probably sell him after the next season. If they want money, Kaizer Chiefs, they can sell him back. But we need more strikers. Kaizer Chiefs need to sign more strikers.
So what about Lentuzang, Tashrik, Okorigoleli one, Sega with Devon City, Lona, Uyagu, Stellenbosch. Obviously, there's a lot of other factors that will. He might. I'm definitely sure with Maragu Stellenbosch, he's going to improve.
Definitely.
From where he was.
Definitely.
I'm definitely sure that he will improve.
But you might find with Sundowns will buy him. Come on, man. We'll look at in terms of the age and whatsoever.
No, Sundowns is not.
Sundowns, I don't think, or they
Sundowns will not buy him. They bought Leon. How old is he? 21, 22. He's not above 23. Young.
And who's in his second Lucas? Second
phase of the season.
Yeah. Second.
Peter Shalulile. There's rumors that Sundowns don't want him. Peter Shalulile can be a good striker for Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, but is he Kaizer? Okay, I get it because of Kaizer Chiefs. The thing is, sometimes players, Kaizer Chiefs, these are when things are dry. And you look at the players, the one from Africa also, this one from Zimbabwe, what was his name? Kama Pilat. Kama Pilat used to score, but he came at the wrong time with Kaizer Chiefs when Kaizer Chiefs was still cool. But it was better then.
It was better, but also he tried.
He tried.
So my point is, you also need somebody who's going to come and try.
Yeah, you also need somebody who's going to try, but Chiefs, I think it will be try season and stuff like that.
No. So that's why if ungala Peter Shalulile sekungcono nyana, maybe uzozama ukuthi asizwe angithola. So you need to bring him at least when the things are a little bit better. Don't bring him when you're not winning the league for 5 years or you're not winning the cup for 10 years and you think Shalulile alone will help you.
He won't. You can't carry the burden of the entire team.
But about Kamapilat, they tried. Kamapilat, who else? Keegan Dolly, Castro, Sundowns, Yongele. Bazamile. Serino. And I'm talking about those who finished number 2 in the league when they were supposed to have won it. Bazamile, but unfortunately, things were bad. But right now, things are better. There's a new coach, there's a new Baznyana. So let's see what's going to happen. But it's not going to be easy. So I'm saying, if you take out Ashley Dupreez or replace Samobay, because so far we've not heard anything about the new signings.
We have not. More especially strikers.
One defender.
You hear about one defender.
One defender. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Ningakhohlwa subscribe, like. Esiphi striker mhlambi esimahala. Because abathanda ukuthenga Chiefs ingasign Shalulile mahala. Who else is free that we can sign right now? Because we are free agents FC. Thank you so much. Danko, love and peace.
Love and peace.